Mastering Idioms, has a green thumb. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and colorful idiom, has a green thumb. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you a glimpse into cultural expressions. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to have a green thumb. The phrase, has a green thumb, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To have a green thumb means to have a natural talent or skill for gardening and growing plants. It's as if someone's thumb is green because they are so good at working with plants. This idiom is often used to describe someone who can make plants thrive and flourish. The origin of has a green thumb is quite interesting. It's believed to come from the early 20th century. There are a couple of theories about its origin. One suggests that it comes from the fact that algae would grow on the thumbs of gardeners who frequently handled flower pots. Another theory links it to King Edward I of England, who loved green peas and awarded a prize to the gardener who grew the best ones. Hence, the gardener had a green thumb. These stories help us understand how the idiom might have come into use. Now, let's see how to use this idiom in sentences. 1. My grandmother definitely has a green thumb. Her garden is full of beautiful flowers and plants. 2. I wish I had a green thumb like you. All my houseplants keep dying. 3. He has a green thumb when it comes to growing vegetables. His backyard is like a mini farm. Notice how the phrase is used to compliment someone's gardening skills or to express a wish to have such skills. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, has a green thumb. Idioms like this one make language colorful and expressive. Remember, learning idioms is not just about knowing the words, but also about understanding the culture behind them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.